I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we have yet another book haul video. However, this one is with a little bit of a twist, and that is that I got to go to the biggest bookstore in Europe very recently, and I thought, you know what, let's do a book shop with me haul video. So I'm going to share with you guys basically what Waterstones Piccadilly looks like. You're going to see me doing some book shopping, and then we're going to dive into what I bought. I bought 6 books, spoiler alert, and all of which I am so incredibly excited about. I could have easily bought 100 books in there. Like, I put books back. I was really strong. I'm very proud of myself because you guys know I don't need any more books. However, they had the biggest selection of romance, fantasy, young adult fiction I have ever seen, and every book that I have ever wanted was in that shop. But I really had to contain myself because me and Ryan went to the Natural History Museum after, and I knew I'd have to carry it. So I basically said, look, 6 books is enough. So that is what I bought. Anyway, let's dive on into this video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Novel love story. Very excited about it. Like, really good.
Look at it. Calculate, Mills has got herself
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7
I did just put 3 back, by the
in the
way.
basket. So,
But we're doing well.
are we expecting like a 14? Are we expecting it to double?
No.
No?
I might allow 10,
Okay.
and then that's the cut off. No more.
10.
Because I have to carry them around, and I don't want to carry around more than 10. I've got £10 free, so one of the books costs nothing. So
good for you.
Technically I only bought 5. So now you guys have seen me doing the book shopping, which I really hope you guys did enjoy, by the way. Let's dive into the haul. As I said, I bought 6 books. Did I need these 6 books? No. However, one of them is technically a book of the month, like book club pick. The rest of them I didn't need, I'm not gonna lie, but I've had them on my wish list for ages, and I thought, you know what, when in London, you know, let's just take them home with us, and that is exactly what I did. Also, it was double points that weekend, and I feel like I was sort of saving money. Anyway, let's dive on into the haul. So the first book I picked up, I knew that I wanted because I read the first one, maybe, I think it was last month or something, and I absolutely loved it. It was the first Elsie Silver book I have ever read, and I know why everyone's obsessed with her now because I absolutely fell in love with it, and I saw that this had come out, and I knew that I needed to pick it up because I had had this on my wish list for absolutely ages. I had them on my wish list on Amazon. If you guys haven't seen it, by the way, it's always down below, but I'd had it on there for literal months. months, I think before the covers even changed, and I saw that they were releasing new covers and I thought I may as well wait because these are so beautiful. If you guys haven't read any of Elsie Silver's books, a lot of them do focus on the kind of cowboy romance genre, which I love, by the way. And I read the first book, which was, what was it called? Off to the Races, and I absolutely loved it. I think I gave that one a 5 stars, so I'm so excited for this one. This one is a photo finish, and I don't actually know who this one is about. I'm gonna hold it up though so you guys can see. This is the second one in a series. Again, I'm not gonna read it because I really don't want to spoil it, but I had to pick it up, didn't I? And this one was $9.99. The next book I picked up is by Mariana Zapata, and I had had this book on my wish list again for a very long time, and I've never actually seen it like out in the wild before, and I saw it and I was like, you're coming home with me. I can't even remember what this book is about, if I'm being honest, so I might read the back with you, but this is Under Lock by Mariana Zapata. If this cover doesn't scream that Melody is gonna love it, like, I don't know what will. Like, I needed this book. So on the back, this one says, after moving to Austin following 6 months of unemployment back home, Iris Taylor knows that she should be glad to have landed the job so quickly, even if the business is owned by a member of the same motorcycle club her her estranged father used to belong to. This is a motorcycle romance. I have never read a motorcycle romance. How exciting. Except Dex Locke might just be the biggest jerk she's ever met. He's rude, impatient, and doesn't know how to tell time. And the last thing they ever expected was each other, but it was either the strip club or the tattoo shop. She should have chosen the strip club. I don't even know what to say about this one. Like, I feel like I'm gonna love it. So this is basically a tattoo artist motorcycle romance. How interesting is that? The cover alone, I couldn't just not pick this up. Like, you guys know me, I am a sucker for a cover. The flop is immaculate. Like, look. I couldn't not. And this one was, oh. I just noticed that this one was $18.99. Anyway, we're going to move on and pretend like it wasn't £20. I literally didn't even realise I was picking up books and I was just thinking like, oh, like $9.99, no, 18 British pounds. And don't tell me that I could find it cheaper on Amazon, because I probably could have. Anyway, I'm not mad about it. I'm excited to read it. We're going to pretend like it was $9.99 for my sake, because traumatic. Anyway, the next book is a relatively newer release by 2 authors who I am yet to read an entire series of. Do I own the entire Addicted series? Yes. Have I read any of it? No. However, Krista and Becca Ritchie are bringing out a new series, and this is Dishonestly Yours. Why can I not speak? I'm just so excited. Dishonestly Yours, and I just knew I was going to pick this up. Like, I knew that this was going to be on my wish list and that I wanted to have it, and I saw it and I picked it up and I never looked back. This one was, in fact, $9.99. Unlike $18.99. This was $9.99, and I'm so excited. Do I know much about what the series is about? Absolutely not. I'm not going to sit here and read the blurbs for you because I feel like that is really boring. But feel free to have a read, have a pause. But yeah, I just absolutely love it. The cover is cute. I'm a strawberry kind of gal, so I love that. And I'm just really excited to read some of Krista and Becca Ritchie's stuff. Do I start this series and read it how it, like, as it comes out, or do I start the Addicted series? Can one of you guys let me know? Any Krista and Becca Ritchie fans? Do I read this first? Do I read that first? Let me know. Anyway, this was the 3rd book I bought. Not mad about it. I'm just really excited. And I think the 2nd one in the series is coming out quite soon. So I'm very excited about that. The next book, again, I did have on my Amazon wish list for absolutely ages. And I don't know why I never picked it up, but I remember it kind of, the publishing changed, so then you couldn't buy it, and now it's available in Waterstones. It's all a bit of a weird situation, but I saw it and it instantly went in my basket, and that is Penelope Douglas's Birthday Girl. Now, do I like the front cover? No, I really despise it. Like, I don't like people on the front of covers. I don't like it. I feel like this cover is iconic for any Penelope Douglas kind of fans. Like, this is an absolute staple in that kind of situation. But what I will say, the flop is immaculate. Like, look at that. If you guys didn't know, if you're not from the UK, to anyone who's in America or other countries, the flop on our books is rubbish. Like, for some reason in the US, books are so floppy, and they all seem to open like this. Like, this is rare for us to find here, and I'm so thrilled about it. So I cannot wait to read this one. I'm pretty sure this one is about a girl who falls in love with her ex's dad. I just couldn't not. Do you know what I mean? I saw it in the wild. I had to pick it up. Anyway, that one was $12.99. So she's a little bit more expensive. I'm thinking that books that aren't published by, you know, your regular authors like Bloom and stuff, maybe they are a bit more expensive. I'd love to know if any of you guys know if that's the case. But anyway, bought this one, very excited about it. There was also a girl that I spoke to in Waterstones, and she was having a nice little haul as well, like buying a lot of books, and she told me that I had to pick this up. So I blame you, to the stranger that I met. It was lovely to meet you, but yeah, that one was your fault. And the next two books were in the buy one get one half price section. So the first one is The Art of Catching Feelings by Alicia Thompson. This book, I think it is relatively new. The cover alone really just kind of drew me in, and this is the same author who wrote The Love in the Time of Serial Killers and With Love from Cold World. Have I read either of those? No. But this cover, I just couldn't not. Like, it's so beautiful, and it does match her other ones. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. I cannot wait to read all of her books, but this one for some reason just really drew me in. Again, I don't know what it's about, so feel free to have a little pause and see what you guys think, but the cover, you can't tell me that's not beautiful, and it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. This one was £9.99, but again, it was in the buy one get one half price section, so essentially it only cost me £5. What a bargain. And the last book I picked up is for mine and my two friends' like personal book club that we do, and I didn't need the physical copy of this book because it is currently available on Kindle for 99p. However, did I buy this anyway? Yes. Did I buy the Kindle version also? Yes, I did. Like, tell me the logic. Anyway, that is A Novel Love Story by Ashley Poston. I have heard so many good things about this author. I have read The Dead Romantics, and I didn't like love it. Like, I wasn't overjoyed with The Dead Romantics. I think it might have been partially because I did listen to it on audiobook, and I feel like when I do that, I don't connect to the stories as well. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like because I listen to them on like 1.8 speed, I'm flying through the story so quickly, I'm not envisioning it as well. Anyway, I really also need to get the 7-Year Slip because I've heard so many good things about that one, but this is her newest release, and I don't know what it's about. I'm hoping just to go into this one blind, if I'm honest, so I'll hold it up in case you guys want to have a little read of the back yourselves. But on the front it says, "Love is stranger than fiction." I don't know, I'm very excited. The cover is cute too. Her covers are all quite kind of like bold and vibrant, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm just really looking forward to diving into this one, and again, it is a book club pick, so I have to read it. So those are all of the books that I picked up in Waterstones Piccadilly, and honestly, I have been wanting to go to this Waterstones for months, ever since I found out it was the largest bookstore in Europe. Like, I had to go. It has like 8 floors or something. It's insane. And again, the amount of romance, the amount of fiction, the amount of young adult stuff they've got is absolutely mind-blowing. It is so good. Honestly, I cannot recommend it enough. If you guys are going to London, or you're coming from another country and you're visiting London, please go to Waterstones Piccadilly. I think I was only in there for maybe an hour-ish. I was trying to be quick because me and Ryan had lots of other plans that day and I didn't want to like hold us up, but I could have spent all day in there easily. It was just so much fun, and the stock levels they have, insane. Like, there are books I only saw on Amazon that I didn't realise Waterstones actually did, and I saw it in there. There were so many books that I picked up and put back, guys. You would have been so impressed with me, but I had to rein it in. I didn't even need to buy these, but I thought, you know what, 6 is better than 20, so I'm giving myself a pat on the back for that one. Anyway, that is everything for this video. If you guys liked this style of book shopping video, let me know down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It honestly makes my day, and I would love to have you join my corner of the internet. It's a really fun and safe place to be, and I just appreciate you all so much. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.